Hello everyone! We are here in UP Diliman. Nandito ako sa UP ngayon para i-walk tong alaga ko.
Hello everyone.
Come with us
As we walk in. Okay, what did you take in UP? You're so close to me always.
I took up theater arts.
What building is this?
Oh, this is UP Theater.
Behind me is UP Theater. In front of you guys is UP Theater artist.
How many steps are you planning?
I'm planning to take 1,000 miles.
We're going downtown, walking fast, faces fast and homebound.
Are you a fan of Christina Aguilera?
Yes, I am.
Because you sounded like her. What is your favorite place in UP?
Oh, that's a nice question. Now we have nice questions.
Also, are you telling me that it was not nice?
No, I'm just kidding.
Damn it.
What? Everyone, come. So the So guys, dito nakapwesto yung mga graduates. Tapos yun yung stage sa graduation ng UP. Pero aside from that, dito rin ako nag-18th birthday. Sabi-sabi. So ganito yan, ikukwento ko sa inyo. Kung interesado lang kayo. Okay, so ganito.
Nung 18th birthday ko, may rehearsal kami. So medyo nalulungkot ako kasi fantasy ko yun simula bata ako na magkakaroon ako ng debut party, ganyan. Pero mukhang hindi na siya mangyayari.
So may FB group sila for the surprise, tapos ito yung pinost ni Mama doon.
Pero ang nangyari, after ng rehearsal namin, dinala ko sa banyo ni Ish nung batchmate namin. Piniringan nila ako. Tapos binihisa nila ako. So sabi ko, nangyari. Anyway, cut to. Nandito ako. Dinala nila ako dito. Merong 18 lanterns na nandito. Tapos nagpalipad sila. Tapos ang daming tao. Like, ang daming tao. Alas 2 na ng madaling araw. So thank you po sa lahat ng mga pumunta ng debut.
Guys, sobrang dami kong memory sa UP. As in, sobra. Like, ayun na, bumabalik na silang lahat. Parang kada hakbang ko.
Hello everyone. So Jem is gonna take over now. Hello everyone. Wala ka bang memory na umuulan habang nag-UP? Wala ka bang fond memory?
Fond memories kasi basahan. Guys, ayan, wala nang ulan, pero wala na ring araw. Okay, we're gonna continue walking now. Let's go.
Akong class. Tapos laging 5th floor. Ha? So ano bang nalilit na ako? Magaling ako masok.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Hindi kami nag-apply sa film org. So parang may kailangan kaming gawin.
20 minutes later.
Dinner time. We're done eating dinner.
We're going to Nomu for my dessert. They have good kumo coffee. Actually, yun lang yung in-order ko. I don't know the others, but...
Hi! Nandito na kami sa loob ni Shein. Naka-seatbelt na. Thank you guys sa pagnood ng vlog namin ni Jem. What? Aray.
Really Jemo vlogs na.
So Jem, anong masasabi mo?
It was a fun, exciting day. Full of food, full of memories, and filled with love. That's it, everybody.
Several days later.
Another day, another vlog. Hello everyone. We are gonna go to Petron, Katipunan. Ay, ganting ako.
Hello everyone.
Magpapa-change oil kami. Kasi actually dapat nung May pa, pero huwag niyo akong gagayahin. Go to Katipunan. Iniwan na namin si Shein. Bye, Shein. Fun. For pasta, lesbian. Guys, ang daming saksakan dito. Saksakan ng ganda. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna go to our seat.
I got my heart, it's on you.
Okay, so dahil we are free this whole July, maghanap tayo ng trabaho. So, sasamahan niyo ako maghanap ng trabaho. Rush projects. Sa auditions and casting calls to. Guys, kung hindi nyo pa natatry ito, Gino's Pizza. We are on our way home. Mama's here with us.
Yes, hello. Ay, ang dilim.
What's your wisdom before we end this vlog, Mom?